afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Can I disturb for you a while?
Sure.
Why do you think it is important to have journalism program in our school? And what is the benefit of it from the students?
I think it is important to have a journalism program in our school because it serves as an information highway in all the future excellence of our school. Like, for example, in our sports, current events, and in literary writing, and etc. And likewise, school papers make us well informed. The teachers, the students, and the other schools, and the parents of the students will be well informed about what is happening in our school. Aside from this fact, the benefit of this is for the students who have excellence or skills in writing. Their talent will be honed.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
What do you think is the importance of having journalism program in our school?
Journalism is very important in our school because the students will be enhanced with the knowledge and skills in writing newspapers so that they can use it in the future once they enroll in mass comm course or any related courses. So they are able to use the knowledge they attained during their high school life.
Hello, seniors. As a student, what do you think is the importance of having journalism program in our school?
Having journalism program in our school, it helps us to improve their talent in writing articles. Yes, that's right. Besides, they can use it for their future. So, example, when they get in college, they can use their knowledge about writing.
So our school become popular than other schools.
Thank you.
Welcome! And it's our pleasure to share our opinion about writing article. That's all. Thank you. Ciao!
The most unforgettable experience I have encountered being a EIC is when my co-staffer at the Green publication and I went to Olongapo and represent our publication in Camp Blog 2011. In that Camp Blog 2011, I learned so much, especially in making the online newspaper, which I appreciated very much. Being a journalist, I think the most successful program I have attended is the DSTC or the RSTC, because when I was in elementary level, I already participated in RSTC, and in that RSTC, I won second placer in feature writing, and now I am fourth year. I won the fifth placer in desktop publishing, and desktop publishing is a new criteria, and that desktop publishing is very hard. Being a desktop publisher is very hard because I lay out the 4 pages of the newspaper for about 5 hours, and that's very torture. Journalism program in our school is very important. As we all know, it has different effects, such that different things that we learn from the journalism can be applied in our daily life. And journalism can also help us to travel in different places and see the beauty of the world. And by the means of journalism, everything that is happening in our school can be shared by others. Aside from different positive effects of journalism in our lives, journalism also has a negative effect, such that when we are in a journalism field, we should have a confidence in expressing our ideas. And because of that confidence, sometimes we can hurt someone else whom we are sharing our ideas. And when we hurt them, we can encounter different negative feedbacks from them.
Journalism is very much important to our school. Why? Because number one doon ay malilinaw yung mga talent ninyo, lalo na sa pagsulat. Yan ang number one doon. Isa pa, ang pagkakaroon ng isang pagkakaroon ng journalism class ay alam natin na tayo gumagawa, sumusulat tayo, at yung mga pagsulat na yun ay doon nakikita yung mga pangyayari sa loob ng campus o sa ating school. Tsaka yung inyong mga talents, hindi lamang ngayon sa pagsulat na andyan yung katulad bawa ay photo journal, So, katulad ni Jed, mahusay na siya sa photography. At least yung mga ganyan ay malaking bagay na pakikinabangan ninyo pagdating ninyo ng college.